In this video, we will learn how to use Vlookup and Xlookup in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here small data, HSN code, product name and quantity sold. Here I am using the Vlookup to get the quantity sold as per the HSN code. Same I'm using here the Xlookup as per the HSN code. We want here quantity sold. So first I'm using here the Vlookup. Tap lookup value is the HSN code. Table array, select the full table, then index number. Here you see what we want here, output quantity sold. So quantity sold column number is 3. You can see the 1 2 and 3. So index number is 3, comma, to fixed 0 and bracket close 200. Here you see HSN code XYZ004, quantity is 200. Same here I am using here the Xlookup, lookup value HSN code, comma, lookup array HSN column and return array. Return array means here what you want here, output. The output we want here quantity sold as per the HSN code. So I select here the return array output quantity sold column. So I select the quantity sold column and bracket close, enter. That's it. Here you see the both result is same by using the Vlookup and Xlookup. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.